Hi, that's 10:10 a.m. in the morning of 24th of June, and this is the first market watch I'm doing. So, from the way it seems, the Reliance is near about 2190 levels right now, and Nifty is around about at 730, 720 region. So, theoretically, Reliance is very near the channel, and the analysis for what I did for Reliance, you will find it in the upper right hand corner. Going forward, I think there are a few companies which we traded in the morning, which I had done earlier analysis yesterday night. One of them was City Union Bank. That was also a BTSD trade which I took and was discussed in the Market Watcher from 3 p.m. yesterday. So City Union Bank gave us a very good run from 167 to 173.5 plus in a matter of less than an hour. So that went very well. The second trade also which we took was in Siemens. So Siemens was also able to give us a 2050 in the morning, and till now Siemens looks good. And I have done the technical analysis of Siemens yesterday night. You will also find that video linked in the upper right hand corner. And there was also a very good trade we took with PI Industry, Maruti. So these were a few of the stocks which were discussed on yesterday night, and they are all gave us a good run in the first half an hour of the trade, or first 14 minutes of the trade. Going forward, we can see that Torrent Power is basically trying and trending low in the day. And from a high perspective, we can see companies like Lawson and Tublo, Siemens, and Ultrachem. These are the three companies which are running. The TCS has been trying to give a breakout, TCS and Infi, and till now it's actually sort of struggling, but that might be because of the Nifty expiry thing. But theoretically, they are poised in a very good technical structure. I will do explicit video on TCS and Infosys because there have been some questions raised on these two. So I will do a video after the trading today. And other than that, there has been some sell-off in steel companies also, and they were not able to hold what they the gains of what they were able to exhibit in the first hour. और अभी जो जिस तरह से दिखती हैं कि फ्रॉम अ सेक्टोरियल पर्सपेक्टिव आई सी श्री सीमेंट एंड रामको सीमेंट एंड Ultra Game. So it seems like cement companies are somewhat working for today, and maybe they will be able to give us some may be able to move, and maybe मैं ये cement sector को आज इसमें रखूँगा. And other than that, of course, there are companies like Emphasis, which we have traded extensively lately, and Manappuram also gave a very good move. And Manappuram was actually studied 2 days ago together with Muthoot Finance and L&T Finance Housing. This is also one of the companies which was studied yesterday, and as a result of which we also saw some good moves. But the thing is, I would be more interested in this company if it's able to breach the 100 levels. Right now it's trading between 96 and 97, but 100 would be a very interesting stuff for me to have a look into. And yeah, other than that, there's not much things which are happening. I think the whole market is right now consolidating and waiting for the Reliance AGM, and then the next direction would come in. So thanks a lot for listening. This is all I have for you for now. From profit taking point of view, Bosch opened up, but it was not able to sustain, and Bosch got some selling from the upper levels. You can see companies like Dr. Reddy and Cipla and Granules. So basically, Lupine. So these companies were trying to make some move in the last two sessions, but somehow they are also not able to sustain in the higher region. And this is also true for the other sector which normally people go for, is the FMCG, where you have Godrej, JCP and Marico also facing sell-off from high levels. So that's all for me on the sector which I would be monitoring today, and trying to see if I'm able to get so, be able to get some move. Maybe in the mid section would be definitely the cement sector, especially companies like Ultra and Ramco and Sri Cement. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this was actually helpful for you, and maybe you can plan your trade accordingly. So the only thing which I can say is stay away from pharma, because there is a sell-off in Glenmark, Lupin, and also Sun Pharma is struggling around about 665 levels, and this is also true for Granules and Cipla, and also the power sector, which I was actively investing and trading, is also low in terms of Torrent Power and Tata Power. So Tata Power is struggling at 120ish, and this is also in my radar for entering for in when I see any reversal in sight. Yeah, so that's all from my side. Stay away from pharma, stay away from FMCG. The only sector which seems to be working for now is the cement sector, and I will wind up my video over here. If I find some new sector coming up, then definitely I will create the next market watch. But since today's expiry, I really don't think anything big is gonna happen, and we won't be taking any breakout trades for sure until and unless the Reliance AGM is out of our way. Thanks a lot for listening, and have a nice trading.